Video, I will show you how you can check your NECO results. The first step is to go to the NECO result checker portal page, and the URL or website address is results.neco.gov.ng. You can see it's results.neco.gov.ng. You can check the description of this video to see this URL. Now, when you visit the result checker portal page, you are going to see this. The first step is to select your examination year. That is the year you took the NECO exam. So I'm going to select 2022. Then you select the exam type. We have basic education certificate examination, SSC internal, SSC external. So for majority of the students, you are going to select SSC internal. So the next step is to enter your token number. Now this token number is a special digit code that will enable you to check your results. You have to buy this code from the NECO result checker portal page. Now next, you enter your examination number, then click on check results. Now if you don't have this token, you have to click on register a new account. When you register a new account, you enter your email address and your password, and you go on to login. Because if you click on purchase token, it's going to take you to this page where you have to log in. So I'm going to log in here to purchase the token. Now on this page, you can see hi, welcome to the NECO results. So I'm going to go to purchase token, because if you don't purchase this token, you will not be able to check your NECO result. So click on purchase token. Now it will ask you the number of tokens you want to purchase. You need one token, so you enter one and click on pay now. Then you have to click on this box. I have verified the above information to the correct and accurate, and I agree the payment I am about to make is non-refundable. So click on this box. You can see the charges here. Number of token is 1 and the charge is 665 naira. Then click on proceed to pay. Now this is going to take you to the remitter page. So what you have to do now is click on submit, because we are trying to purchase the NECO results token. Now this is where it's going to take you to this page. So here you are going to enter your card number, the expiring date, and the CCV. After you enter the details, then you click on pay. Immediately you click on pay, you are going to see your NECO token you can use to check your results. So this is how you can check your NECO results.